This is Boxing Therapy 101. Thank you for stopping by. I hate wasting time, so let's jump right into the boxer stance. A comfortable boxing stance is essential before moving forward. Practice until it's perfected. Now, as you can see, my back is upright, shoulders relaxed, feet positioned staggered about 6 inches wider than my shoulder width, fists protecting my jawline or temples, chin tucked to chest, elbows tucked to ribs, torso angled towards my lead foot, knees slightly bent, and I'm on the balls of my feet with 70% of my body weight on my power foot. I highly recommend watching the detailed boxer stance video linked in this video's description to perfect this before moving forward. Now let's bring the beat back. A proper boxer stance establishes a solid foundation for the 5 keys of boxing: balance, technique, breathe, stay 3C, and protection. Proper balance enables you to attack and defend at a moment's notice with the full weight of your body. Proper technique translates to true power and speed, thus mastering the physical aspect of boxing. Exhaling with every punch helps improve your boxer rhythm, power output, and stamina. Staying cool, calm, and collected is how you master the mental aspect of boxing. Protection is about 100% awareness. The golden rule of boxing is protect yourself at all times. At the end of the day, you're responsible for your own health and safety. Now that we've gone over the boxer stance and the 5 keys to boxing, let's cover the 1-2 foundation of basic movement. Whether moving forward, backward, or to the side, the movement is a 1-2 step. Whichever foot is closest to the direction you're moving is the leader, while the opposite foot is the follower. The leading foot takes a small step, while the following foot does the same in equidistance, as seen here. All punches occur in a 1-2 rhythmic manner. The 1 is how you go from your boxer stance to the point of impact. The 2 is how you go from the point of impact back to your original boxer stance. The 1. Starting in your boxer stance, push off the ball of your power foot to lightly step forward with your lead foot while extending your lead arm to full extension. As you do this, rotate your lead fist so it's facing palm down just as you reach full extension and your lead foot touches the ground. Remember to exhale at full extension of your arm, which ideally would be the point of impact. And here's our 2. The 1. Starting in your boxer stance, rotate your hips and the ball of your power foot while extending your power arm to full extension. As you do this, rotate your power fist so that it is facing palm down just as you reach full extension, which should also be the moment your hips and power foot stop rotating and you exhale at the point of impact. The 1. Start in your boxer stance, rotate your hips and the ball of your lead foot while creating a 90-degree angle with your lead elbow as it is parallel with the ground. As you do this, rotate your fist so it is facing palm down just as your hips and foot stop rotating, which should be the point of impact, and you exhale. To throw the power hook, do the same motions with the opposite side of your body. New boxers tend to load up on the hook, sacrificing speed for power, which only creates openings for your opponent to capitalize on. Keep it compact and quick to maximize its effectiveness. The uppercut leaves you significantly exposed in comparison to the other punches. This close-range power punch is best utilized after slipping or dodging an opponent's lazy jab or cross. The 1. Crouch or step to the side in your boxer stance, rotate your hips and the ball of your power foot while quickly creating a 90-degree angle with your power elbow as it is parallel with the ground. As you do this, rotate your fist so your palm is facing you just as your hips and foot stop rotating, which should be the point of impact and when you exhale. To throw the lead uppercut, do the same motions with the opposite side of your body. The basic 1-1-2 combination translates to a jab-jab cross. While throwing this combination, you can see I have maintained the 5 keys of boxing. I am balanced, throwing each punch with proper technique, exhaling with the impact of each punch, remaining cool, calm, and collected, and you can see my opposite fist, chin, and tucked elbows are in positions of optimum protection. And that's it, folks. Play this video as many times as you need. Rewind it, pause it, practice in front of a body mirror to perfect your technique. Master this, and you'll be able to put your boxing gloves on with confidence. As always, keep going and stay 3C.